Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, June the 14th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku, but we have also an additional. Yes, yesterday we have no additional, but today we have an additional with 9 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, the Kayla Sudoku aka Sudoku Mix, and 2 binaries. Binary puzzle number 1 and the binary puzzle number 2. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 5 of them I will solve. And also the regular medium Sudoku. So total of 6 puzzles I will do today. A lot of puzzles. And what's the news of today? Yes, the news of today. Well, we have here Mick Jagger. Yes, in Amsterdam. Well, it seems that the concert in Amsterdam is let me see, the concert of Mick Jagger is cancelled. Yeah, because he's infected with corona. Wow, at his age, he's in the 70s. Will be maybe a problem. Anyway, it's the news of today. Yes. All right. Let me start with the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 4695. All right, 4695. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the following number? We have a 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a pair. The 9 and an 8 in this column. The 9 and 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. Alright. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. So now, now. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 5 in this row? The 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this row. Wait, two of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. Oh, right. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, we have a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. A 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. Okay. I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third row, last row. Correction, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 3. But we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Alright. Okay. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this row. First row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So now 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1. It goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. And look, we have a pair now. Here, pair, and these 2 boxes are a pair. It's a pair, yeah. So what are those 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. So 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers, the final numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. I've told you earlier, it's definitely a 1-star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 5 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.